Hi guys, welcome back. I recently finished these club chairs and I wanted to share how I recreated the piping detail that's found on these chairs. Hi guys, this is the piping that I use for the majority of my piping projects. I purchased it from Amazon and the details are in the description box. Here I have the fabric that I'm going to use to create my piping. Here is the cord piping. And I'm going to simply wrap the fabric around the piping and then sew down this edge of the cording to the piping. I place it under the machine and I'm ensuring that the presser foot is actually on top of the piping and then the needle is sewing right between the piping and the fabric. And I just continue this process holding the piping all the way down the fabric. You'll notice that as I'm sewing, I keep adjusting the fabric. I'm trying to ensure that I have enough fabric on the top and the bottom for a seam allowance. That seam allowance is necessary when you get ready to put this piping on your project. You want to be sure that you have enough extra fabric to either attach it to the project or to sew it to another piece of fabric. And here we have our finished project. For more inexpensive design inspiration, be sure to spend your weekends with Winnie. Bye!